how many of you got this question wrong? Physiology in INICT is like this, you know, it tests your concepts. You will not know the answers directly, but you need to apply the knowledge that you have. So during a respiratory physiology experiment, the properties of pulmonary surfactant was evaluated. It is noted that the surface tension fluctuates with respiratory cycle. So which of the following best explains the state of alveolar surface tension at the peak of inspiration? For lengthy questions like this, do not waste your time reading from the first line. सबसे पहले last line पढ़ लो. It tells you the crux of the question. The initial few lines are distractors. You know, they are put deliberately आपका time गवाने के लिए. So what explains the state of alveolar surface tension at the peak of inspiration? Is it at its lowest, highest, unchanged, or lowest? Okay, which option do you rule out the first? Let me tell you the tricks on how do you approach such questions in the exam. When you see such questions in the exam, do not get panicked because they definitely have some hidden hints here and there to help you rule out the options. So the question is at the peak of inspiration. Logically thinking, mujhe batao, at the peak of inspiration, how is going to be the alveolar radius? With inspiration, the lung expanding, the alveolus expanding. So how will be the alveolus radius? Is it going to be decreased or is it going to be increased in inspiration? It is going to be increased and not decreased. So definitely D is out. The surface tension is not unchanged. In inspiration and expiration, it changes, right? That is why you also have the hysteresis curve also, which is there. Okay. So remember that even this is gone because surfactant production does not match the alveolar volume. Alveolus में जितना surfactant होता है उतना ही surfactant होता है. It does not change like with every inspiration and expiration. So C also is out. Now you have to decide, is it at its lowest or is it at its highest? So read the options. It is at its lowest because the surfactant is highly concentrated, or highest because the surfactant molecules are spread over a larger surface area. This makes more sense because with inspiration, the alveolar size increasing, the surface area increasing. So this makes more sense. Now tell me, why is it high? So understand that what is happening in inspiration is the alveolus, normally from expiration, it is going to this size. So the same surfactant which is there, if the alveolar size increases, so the surfactant concentration per se is decreasing because the area is increasing. So the surfactant concentration is decreasing. Surfactant decreases the surface tension, and that is why when the surfactant concentration is decreasing, the surface tension will increase. Okay, so it is going to be high. Is this clear with everyone? So a similar question has been asked in your exam previously. What is happening to surface tension with inspiration, with expiration? So remember that surface tension increases in inspiration. Did everybody get this point? Surface tension increases in inspiration. Is this clear with everyone? Yes. The resistance curve question, वो जो hysteresis आता है ना, inspiration का curve अलग है, expiration का अलग है, because of the same thing.